Let us continue with the line-wise paraphrasing of Act 2, Scene 1 of The Tempest. Sebastian, no, he doth but mistake the truth totally. So he says, it is the only thing he misses is the truth completely. Gonzalo, but the rarity of it is, which is indeed almost beyond credit, means the striking quality of this island is almost unbelievable. Beyond credit means unbelievable. Sebastian, as many vouched rarities are, he says there are many unique things about which the people guaranteed over here to be very genuine. Gonzalo, that our garments being as they were drenched in the sea, he says, well, our garments, the clothes we are wearing, they were totally soaked in the water of the sea. Hold notwithstanding, notwithstanding means in spite of their freshness and glosses, means they were soaked in the water of the sea, but still they maintain their freshness and their shine. Being rather new dyed than stained with salt water, it appears that they have been freshly dyed rather than being stained with the salty water. Antonio, but if one of his pockets could speak, would it not say he lies? He says, just in case one of his pockets could speak, it would complain of being soiled with the mud and would in that way contradict this fellow. Sebastian, or very falsely pocket up his report. Yes, or he would very treacherously try to hide or suppress the voice of the pocket. Gonzalo, methinks our garments are now as fresh as when we put them on first in Africa. He says, I think that our clothes are now as fresh as when we put them on the first day in Africa at the marriage of King's fair daughter Claribel to the King of Tunis. That is the first day we wore these clothes in Africa at the marriage of King Alonso's beautiful daughter Claribel to the King of Tunis. Sebastian, 'twas a sweet marriage, he says. It was a beautiful marriage and we prosper well in our return, and we were doing very well on our return journey. Adrian, Tunis was never graced before with such a paragon to their queen. He says that Tunis has never ever had such an extraordinary woman as their queen. Now, paragon means a person who has matchless qualities. So Gonzalo replies, not since Widow Dido's time. He says, yes, not ever since the time of Widow Dido when she was the queen. Antonio, widow? A plague on that. How came that widow in Widow Dido? He says, Widow Dido? A curse on that. Plague on that means curse on that. In what connection are you referring to Queen Dido? Sebastian, what if he had said Widower Aeneas too? What if he had mentioned the name of Widower Aeneas? Good Lord, how you take it. Good Lord, how it makes you angry. Adrian, Widow Dido said you? Did you say Widow Dido? You make me study of that. She was of Carthage, not of Tunis. So Adrian says, did you mention Widow Dido? You really make me ponder over this matter deliberately. She was of Carthage, not of Tunis. Gonzalo, this Tunis served Carthage. He says, well, this Tunis in our times was Carthage. Adrian, Carthage? How is it possible that it was Carthage? Gonzalo, I assure you Carthage. He says, I give you guarantee that it was Carthage. His word is more than the miraculous harp. So he says that his word is more than the Amphion's harp. that is the who raised the walls of Thebes. He means to say that his words are they work miracles just like Amphion's harp. Sebastian, he hath raised the wall and houses too. So Sebastian goes on to say that his words have raised in Adrian's mind not merely the walls but the people also. Antonio, what impossible matter will he make easy next? He says, I wonder what impossible matter he talks about next to show that it is possible. Sebastian, I think he will carry this island home in his pocket and give it to his son for an apple. So I think next he is going to carry this island home in his pocket and he is going to give it to his son as an apple. Antonio, and sowing the kernels of it in the sea bring forth more islands. And then he is going to sow the seeds of this apple in the sea and he is going to grow more islands from there. Gonzalo, he says yes. Antonio, why on good time? That means why? You have woken up just at the right time. Sir, Gonzalo says, Sir, we were talking about our garments. They seem now as fresh as when we were at Tunis at the marriage of your daughter who is now queen. So he says, Sir, we were just talking that our garments seem now as fresh as when we were at Tunis at the marriage of your daughter, who at present is the queen of Tunis. Antonio, and she rarest that ever came there, means Tunis has never had a queen as excellent and as rare as your daughter. Sebastian, bait, I beseech you. Widow ditto. Bait means accept, I request you. Widow ditto. Thank you.